Some synonym for anger: fury, rage, wrath, resentment, ire, outrage, indignation, temper, hostility, frustration, animosity, hatred, bitterness, enmity, displeasure. Some synonyms for happy: joyful, delighted, pleased, content, ecstatic, elated, thrilled, overjoyed, grateful, blissful, cheerful, glad, radiant, exultant, jubilant, satisfied, merry, euphoric, enchanted, charmed. Advanced synonym for stop: cease, halt, terminate, discontinue, abate, desist, interrupt, arrest, suspend, cessate.
Advanced synonym for profound: deep, intense, abstruse, arcane, esoteric, philosophical, thoughtful, sagacious, penetrating, inscrutable. Advanced synonyms for brightness: radiance, luminosity, brilliance, gleam, glitter, sparkle, shimmer, incandescence, luminescence, glint, sheen, resplendence, effulgence, scintillation, flash.
Some synonym for darkness: obscurity, dimness, shadow, murkiness, blackness, nightfall, duskiness, shade, twilight, gloominess, inky, Stygian, Erebus, Cimmerian, umbrage, tenebrous, benighted, pitch black, shroud. Some advanced synonyms for understand: comprehend, perceive, grasp, fathom, discern, conceive, interpret, absorb, apprehend, cognize, savvy, penetrate, realize, know, get. Synonyms for achievement: accomplishment, attainment, triumph, advancement, breakthrough, realization, success, victory, conquest, milestone, fulfillment, gain, progression, acquisition, feat, performance, victory, masterstroke, distinction, elevation. Synonyms for lose: forfeit, surrender, sacrifice, misplace, fail, defeat, miss, demise, let go of, give up, relinquish, abandon, dismiss, disinherit, yield, waste, fritter away, squander, drop, part with.